So right now we discussed about PM Kisan, which is kind of income support to farmers or farmer families. So similar programs have been implemented by states as well. So it becomes important to look after them as well because in the last means, uh, UPSC had asked a state scheme. So from that time, we are also focusing on state schemes. Even for state PSCs, people used to look up to state schemes of the particular state, but now we need to know, even if any important scheme is there, which is kind of related to central schemes, then we need to know about it. So let's start. Okay, so there has been a scheme launched by Madhya Pradesh government, which is called Bhav Antar Bhugtan Yojana. So as the name suggests, Bhav Antar. Now, people who are not Hindi speaking, Bhav is price. Okay, so Bhav Antar. Antar is difference. So जो भी price में जो difference आ रहा था, उसका payment government करेगी. Okay, किस difference की बात हो रही है? That is official minimum support price and the price at which actually they're selling the crops or the model price. Whichever is higher, that difference will be paid to the farmers. That's why it is called Bhav Antar, price difference, Bhugtan, payment scheme. Okay. Simply, it means that if government is providing less minimum support price to the farmers, it is obviously causing loss to the farmers. So whatever loss the farmers need to face, that difference is paid to the farmers so that the farmers don't have to suffer loss. Okay? Yeah. Also, there is a scheme very popular, Raitu Bandhu scheme of the Telangana government. This is a kind of farmers investment support scheme so that farmers can easily invest in their crops. So farmers are provided 5,000 per acre per season to support the farm investment twice a year for Rabi and Kharif seasons. Rabi is winter and Kharif is summer season. And similar initiatives have also been framed in Jharkhand and Odisha. So yeah, this is all. Raitu Bandhu is like, friend of farmers kind of. Bandhu is friend and Raitu, I think farmers के लिए terms use करते हैं उधर. तो farmer friend kind of scheme है ये. ठीक है. दोस्त बनना है farmer का. Yeah. Also, Odisha has launched a scheme which is called Kalia. Very interesting name. But the full form is not that interesting. Yeah, the full form is Krushak Assistance for Livelihood and Income Augmentation. So, Krushak is farmer, तो farmer के assistance के लिए for livelihood and income augmentation. So, for living and augmenting the income. Now, this scheme is a bit more complex, not like Bhavantar Bhugtan Yojana of Madhya Pradesh and Raitu Bandhu scheme of Telangana, because it is covering quite a lot of sections. Like as you can see, it will provide 10,000 per family in Rabi and Kharif seasons to small and marginal farmer families. It will provide 12,500 to 10 lakh landless agriculture households. It will provide 10,000 per annum to 10 lakh vulnerable agriculture households and landless laborers. Also, it is providing insurance cover, which is both life and personal accident, both of 2 lakhs to cultivators and landless agri laborers. Also, they are providing interest-free crop loans. That is, all loans up to 50,000 will now be interest-free. So this scheme is a bit more complex because it is covering a lot of sections, a lot of areas. So it becomes complex even in implementation because it is covering cultivation, livelihood, financial assistance, life insurance cover, personal accident cover, and interest-free crop loans up to 50,000. So yeah, this is something we need to keep in mind. And the life insurance cover is of 2 lakhs, both personal accident cover. And see, we need to understand that the personal accident cover is additional to life insurance cover, not like if you have claimed 2 lakh of life insurance, then the personal accident cannot be covered. Or sorry, if you have covered like taken a personal accident, then you cannot take life insurance. So it is an additional. The personal accident cover is provided in addition to life insurance cover, and both is of 2 lakh. Also, the farmers, small and marginal farmer families, they are provided 10,000 per year, which is quite a huge amount Also, the agriculture households are provided 12,500, and the agriculture households and the vulnerable agriculture households and landless laborers, they are provided 10,000. So yeah, this is all about the scheme, and I think it will help you because these schemes normally we skip. See, Raitu Bandhu I think is quite popular. You may be aware about it, but कालिया के बारे में तो नहीं पता होगा. काफी अच्छा नाम दिया है उड़ीसा वालों ने. I mean, पता नहीं. It's like interesting. So yeah, this is what I wanted to deliver. So now we have covered PM Kisan related programs in states, the important ones, of course. So I think, yeah, we are done for PM Kisan. Yay. Stay healthy and study well. Bye bye.